Part 3, the introduction and conclusion. In 45 minutes, draft an introduction and conclusion paragraph. There should never be evidence or interpretation in the introduction and conclusion paragraphs. 1. Introduction. A. Draft a creative and compelling hook to get the reader interested in your evaluation. B. Present your 3-part thesis statement. C. Outline your entire argument by paraphrasing each topic sentence claim in the order they will be presented. 2. Conclusion. Outline your entire argument by paraphrasing each topic sentence claim in the order they were presented. B. Clarify and rephrase your 3-part thesis statement. Try synonyms for your critique and evaluation words. Try to specify the larger significance even more. C. Draft a compelling and creative hook to encourage the reader to continue thinking about the advertisement evaluation or to adopt new ideas or actions after reading your paper.